This is the Courtyard by the Marriott. We are staying here for 2 nights here in one night. We're staying here for 1 night in Page, Arizona. Using our points because that's what we like to do. Definitely a unique looking hotel. All right, we are on the first floor. There is not free breakfast at this hotel. It's $17.99 for breakfast. And yeah, they got us in right away. And 102, right next, gonna be right next to the elevator. Let's see. Ice machine, that's good. It's 105, 104. 103, no, that's 104. That's 103. We are 102. Oh, we are 104.
Yeah, right.
Sorry, ignore me.
I was standing here, I'm like,
I don't know what I'm doing. We are 104. Why did I think 102?
I think you drove like 500 pounds or something.
Yeah, Robert did all the driving. Yes, I know. You're wonderful. Oh my God, this is a big room too. We actually have a nice view. Look at that. And they have a pool. It's open till 10 p.m. This is a really nice room. Coffee machine.
Huh. Yeah, some of the rooms have a view where you actually can see the canyon and stuff. So
Oh, well, I like that Courtyard view,
not
but
great.
all right. Bathroom is a little smaller than the other place, but this is like standard what Marriott bathrooms look like. So, shower. Oh, here we go. They don't have the toiletries that are locked up, so we will not be using those. I like it. And again,
Big trees.
this is all points for us, so no cost.
It is a nice.
I like the little courtyard.
Those pointy trees are weird though.
All right, so we spent 1 night in the Marriott. We're not checking out yet. We're gonna go meet up with Holly and do a morning hike, and then we're gonna come back and check out. I liked our room. Even I was kind of worried about the noise because we're right next to housekeeping and the ice machine in our room, but I didn't have any problems with noise. No complaints. I like the hotel. I like the Western theme, and I mean, a free breakfast would have been nice. Some Marriotts do have free breakfasts, but this one did not. So we're gonna go to Holly's. Don't tell anyone. We're gonna have free breakfast at her hotel. All right, the Hyatt's free breakfast was quite impressive. They had fruit and yogurt, everything. I mean, it's very similar to the Holiday Inn, but I don't remember the Holiday Inn having strawberries, and I had French toast, so I was quite excited.